Hey guys, it's me and today I'm gonna do a slime collection, and this is just extra slime that won't fit in the container. I'm just gonna keep that right there. Um, I did a slime part 1 slime collection, but if I put the same slimes in it as this one, I'm so sorry. I just don't remember which ones I put in there. So if you see them, don't judge, okay? I'm pretty sure I uploaded it. If it didn't upload, I'm sorry. Here's my space. It kind of has activator on it. So first one is one of my favorite slimes. It's the slime that one's in the container. It is a cream cheese matte slime. It's very matte. It's like glossy, but but when you stretch it, it's not like so cool. Let me do some ASMR. It doesn't really poke, sorry. Oh. Put this over here so I can see. Very mad, and I call it too much because like there's like a lot of glitter. That's why I call it too much. Like because when you put like when you put too much clothes on, like it's too much. Put too much glitter in it, it's too much. That's why I call it too much. It's a very pretty color. There. Here it is. Too much. This one I just made. I don't really know what to call it. It's like a jiggly, but it's kind of sticky. I call it like Funfetti because Funfetti. I call it like Blue Fun. I call it Blue Fun because it's like really fun to play with. Makes it fun to play with. And look at it. Oh. Got sticky, but what I'm using to hold it is activator, my activator. So funny. So watching TV. Oh, I'll do some ASMR. Okay, and I just call this. I don't really know what to call this, so I just call it Sky Fun, something like that. I'm so sorry, but because I don't really know what to call it, but I'm gonna call it Sky Fun. Next one is Light Sky because I don't know. I don't know why. It's just like a really like light blue. The way it is, it's just a cloud. Fluff. And I love when it swirls because look at that. Beautiful. Very stretchy. It just isn't. This is really satisfying. It's buttons. It's butter slime. I'll have no butter slime. It is really called light sky blue. Or light sky blue. A cloud sky. I don't really know. Okay. Light sky blue. These are all the ones that I'm showing you are in Kentucky. Which one's this? Let's see which one this is. Okay, so they're not the same textures. This one made with a white slime. They're putties. This one made with like clear, and this one made with clear blue. As you can see, the merch. Okay, and they're both in the same container, so it doesn't really matter. Next is called Rainbow. I have two rainbows. This one with fishbowl, and this one with ponies. With pony. It's clear. It's a putty again. Like, listen. It sounds so weird. That's a really weird texture. How many slimes do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm at this for that one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 slimes. No, this one is just another putty. Let's see. Slime. Perfect. And then this slime is next to you, but I forgot to get it out because of another thing. I call this like Kentucky. Or, I call it Blue Nation. I call this one Blue Nation because it's like Blue Nation. I really like it. And yeah, to go for Kentucky because we like Kentucky. I don't know if you guys do. I don't care. Yeah. This one's more like a really putty and really hard slime with essence. I'm gonna add this. Okay. I don't like this slime at all. I'm gonna throw it away afterwards. So I have 16 slime. I'm gonna keep this slime. I don't know why. It's a really bad one, and I call it poop. I don't like it. This one's called Party Time because I get out only when we have a sleepover or a party because it's a glow in the dark with glitter in it. So I call it Party Time, and it's really nice. Did you hear that? Let's check it out. I love this. I love this one. I'll tell you my favorite slime at the end. Well, You already know what's my least favorite. This one. Then there's a yellow tint one. I just call it like yellow putty. I mean, what? I had to think what I'm gonna call it. Lemon putty, because it's stretching away. See, like when I'm done stretching it, so. Okay, that's this. And the next slime is another huge slime. And I love to call this Big Blue Nation again, or just, I call this UK. You kind of tell Kentucky. It's kind of sticky. That's where my activator comes in. And I'll put this here. Actually, I can still see. 1 second. There. I'm opening this. There. Oh, slime got stuck to you. 1 second, guys. Sorry, my finger's in the way. This is one of my favorites. I have 2 favorites. And I'm going to just do some ASMR. And it's very, I'll yours. And quick and easy swirl, and that's what I can tell. So this video won't be half an hour long, that is 30 minutes long. I'm almost done. Well, here, I'm gonna do my big slime first. It's a small time. Oh, this is my biggest slime in my collection. Rainbow, I call it unicorn poop. Unicorn throw up, sorry. And it says a really nice slime. It rips a lot, but it's that okay. Oh, I catched you. But I didn't catch my leg. I'm right back. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, I'm gonna play the slime that I wanted to play with. This is called fruit slime. So they have like little fruit pieces in it. And this is a store-bought putty I got from a vending machine. I just found this container because I didn't the containers. Sketchy and putty. I just picked up the slime that I was trying to pick up the slime. I don't really like, well, I like this slime, but I just don't like the glue that I made it like this crazy right though. Okay, now I keep forgetting to say the names, but who cares? Okay, that slime. Small slime that I like. So I hope you guys like my video. I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Like and subscribe. Peace. I'm not acting in the video. Peace. Bye.